Hey guys, the last video I made was pretty short. This is my sister, Pebble. Pebble, I'm on YouTube. I made an 8-second video and I have to say I'm sorry. Come here, I want to show you something. I'm making a video right now. Sit. You have to get down. It's kind of cold. That's my grandparents. Hello. Come here, baby. Mammal. Ow. Stop it. Why are you it's kind of that's my dad. Hey. Your mom. That's my dad. Oh, guys, I'm sorry about the last video. My cousin joined. He wanted to get out, so I had to push him out of the way, and it stopped the video. Well, Mitchin. Hey guys, oh yeah, there's something I want. What the? It's started. Okay, guys. Tobuscus, if you can hear me, I'm your #1 fan, dude. If you can't, subscribe, make a video where you talk about me, anything. Seriously. Jordan Scott Randall. I'm not your fan. You're supposed to love me. What are you doing? No. No, what are you doing? Oh yeah, guys. That's like you are right here. I know. That's me. I'm gonna wear this. Yeah. Say hi to the one. No, we don't. And let's go. I'm talking to this big one. Ah. It's been in. Well, thank you guys for listening.